length and simple melody. Its lyrics describe a style of Filipino country house with the same name. Those touching is often made from nipa palm leaves. Lending this style is other name of nipa hut. The walls of bahay kubo are made from a mixture of wooden panels and woven materials like bamboo, wood, or leaves. They are supported and raised up by 4 stout stilts, meaning a ladder or stairs is required to enter the elevated doorway. Ayan. So, ayan guys, malapit ko na pong matapos itong aking pag-i-sketch. Ako po'y nagpapasalamat sa inyo sa walang sawang panonood sa aking mga simpleng sketches. So, ayan guys, tapos na nga po. Maraming salamat mo sa walang sawang panonood. Ayan. Hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye!